Hello and welcome back. Hope you are all doing well. Today we are taking a look at Sprezza for March 2018. This of course is a SprezzaBox and Delta partnership. It says Delta a few times on the box. With that being said, let's get into it. The card with everything in this box for this month. A piece of advertisement. Now the tie is Sprezza, and the full retail price of the tie is $30. The socks are also Sprezza and retail for $12. The airplane tie clip from Sprezza, and it retails for $25. A pair of earbuds, which retail for $39. A passport holder from Delta, which retails for $13. And a Burkera day serum, which retails for $13. Now, Sprezza is a monthly subscription box service, which is $28 a month. Now, the value of the box is always more than that $28, and this month it's no different. The value of this box is $131. Not a bad deal. With that all being said, thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.